Welcome to our video showcasing the 10 best vintage cars available on Facebook Marketplace under $10,000. In this video, we take a look at some of the most unique and affordable classic cars you can find online. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your first vintage ride, these options are sure to catch your eye. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of vintage cars on Facebook Marketplace. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be the first to see the most profitable cars on the market. Number 1. Check out this 1984 Chevrolet 2500. A classic truck that's more than just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels. With only 19,600 miles on the odometer, this beauty has stood the test of time and is ready to hit the roads for years to come. The captivating gold exterior and cozy brown interior make it a head-turner wherever it goes. Under the hood, this beast is equipped with a small block 350 turbo engine and automatic transmission, providing smooth and effortless driving while packing a punch. It also comes loaded with upgrades that enhance both performance and style, including an Edelbrock 1406 600 carb, Headman headers, Flowmaster 40s mufflers, and an Edelbrock intake manifold. Maintenance won't be a concern with this truck. It's not just paid off, but also meticulously cared for. With a new transmission filter and gasket, a freshly flushed radiator, and a brand new 180-degree thermostat, it's like driving off the lot of a brand new truck. Plus, it boasts a brand new 4-inch rough country suspension lift, ensuring a smooth and commanding ride on any terrain. There may be a small tear on the driver's seat, but that only adds to its character. The current owner has poured their heart and soul into transforming this truck from stock to spectacular, and all the work has been done by them. If you're looking for a super cool truck that's not just a vehicle but a lifestyle, look no further than this 1984 Chevrolet 2500. With a clean title in the owner's name and priced at just $8,000, it's an offer you can't afford to miss. Don't just dream about hitting the open road, make it a reality with this iconic truck. Come and entertain the possibilities today. Number 2. Presenting the 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, a timeless classic that's not just a car, but a symbol of style and performance. Priced at a tempting $8,000, this beauty is currently up for grabs, waiting to be the centerpiece of your collection. Boasting a sleek black exterior paired with an elegant off-white interior, this Corvette is a head-turner from every angle. With a modest 57,000 miles on the odometer, it has the perfect blend of history and potential for new adventures. Equipped with an automatic transmission and fueled by gasoline, this Corvette promises a smooth and powerful ride. The story of this car is enriched by having only 2 owners, adding a touch of exclusivity to its legacy. The seller has invested thousands in restoration, making this Corvette a true gem. From new tires and wheels to fresh carpet, interior pieces, seats, and a stylish steering wheel, no detail has been overlooked. The car was initially acquired for $8,000, and with the addition of restoration parts worth thousands more, it's a steal for any enthusiast. While it's currently not running due to needing a new carburetor, reviving this beauty won't take much effort. The seller, although losing interest, has laid the foundation for greatness, and all the necessary restoration parts can go with the car. Open to trades, the seller is willing to consider a Chevrolet dually, running or not, delivery required, or a Vrod night rod of lesser value, provided it aligns with their preferences. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with the 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. With its unique blend of elegance, power, and restoration potential, it's a chance to turn heads and make a statement on the road. Seize the moment and make this iconic Corvette yours today. Number 3. Introducing the 1985 Cadillac El Dorado, a luxurious masterpiece that exudes elegance and sophistication. Now available for a steal at just $6,500, this beauty is not just a car, but a statement of timeless style and comfort. With a mere 51,000 miles on the odometer, this El Dorado has been meticulously maintained, standing as a testament to its enduring quality. Boasting a striking black exterior complemented by a matching black Landau roof, it's a sight to behold. Under the hood, a powerful V8 engine ensures a smooth and commanding ride, delivering 15 mpg in the city and an impressive 21 mpg on the highway. This Eldorado is not just about performance, it's a complete package of modern conveniences. The climate control system with AC, electric windows and locks, power driver's seat, heated side mirrors, cruise control, and electronic trunk lock make every drive a luxurious experience. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an impeccably maintained black leather interior, with just a small patched area on the driver's seat, showcasing the care and attention given to every detail. This vehicle has had only 2 owners, and with a clean title and no significant damage or problems, it's a testament to its quality and reliability. The Eldorado comes fully equipped with brand new tires, a fresh battery, and new Oregon tags, ensuring that it's not just a vintage beauty, but a modern and reliable ride. Plus, the fact that it's fully paid off adds an extra layer of confidence for the discerning buyer. Priced below market value, this 1985 Cadillac Eldorado offers a rare opportunity to own a classic luxury car at an affordable price. Don't miss out on the chance to make a statement on the road. Seize the opportunity to own this meticulously maintained Eldorado and experience the epitome of automotive luxury. Number 4. Presenting the 1982 Buick Regal Limited, a classic beauty that combines style, performance, and a touch of customization. Priced at an attractive $6,500, this Regal is not just a car, it's a canvas waiting for your personal touch. With a driven history of 132,560 miles, this Buick Regal Limited is equipped with an automatic transmission, making every drive a smooth and enjoyable experience. The charcoal exterior paired with a vibrant blue interior gives it a distinctive and appealing look that stands out on the road. This Regal Limited has a unique flair, boasting 8 switches and 2 pumps with lay-and-play functionality. Capable of holding 12 batteries, it's a showstopper that's ready to hit the streets. The straight body is rust-free, a testament to the care it has received over the years. The current owner has invested time and effort into preparing this Regal for its next chapter. The entire vehicle has been sanded, and all emblems and the hood ornament are intact. Bumper fillers for both the front and back are available, awaiting installation. While it could use a touch-up, this Regal Limited is primed and ready for someone with a passion for customization and paint preparation. Located in Victorville, California, this Buick Regal Limited is not just a car, but a project waiting for its final touches. It's a unique opportunity for enthusiasts who appreciate a classic ride with a touch of individuality. Take the reins and make this Regal Limited yours, bringing your vision to life on the streets of California and beyond. Number 5. Introducing the 1984 GMC Jimmy, a rugged and versatile classic that's ready for a new chapter. Priced at an affordable $3,900, this Jimmy stands as a canvas for enthusiasts and project lovers who are ready to bring it back to life. With a clean title and no significant damage, this Jimmy features an automatic transmission and sports a timeless white exterior paired with a sleek black interior. Fueled by gasoline, it's equipped with a 350 small block engine that's already up and running, providing a solid foundation for your project. Admittedly, this GMC Jimmy is a project in the making. While the engine is in good shape, the automatic transmission needs attention, either a replacement or a rebuild. A recently installed refurbished transfer case adds to its potential for off-road adventures. The body of this Jimmy is overall solid, with a few spots of rust that add character. The top of the passenger rocker, a small spot on the top of the driver's side rocker, and the bottom corner of the driver door show signs of wear. A crack in the windshield is a minor issue that's easily fixable. Sold in as-is condition, this Jimmy offers a clean California title and is currently on non-operational registration. It's a blank canvas, waiting for someone with the vision and skills to turn it into a personalized masterpiece. A project like this allows you to make it your own, with the satisfaction of transforming it into a roadworthy daily driver. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a classic car lover looking for a project, this 1984 GMC Jimmy could be the next adventure waiting for you. Seize the opportunity to bring this classic back to life and make it a reflection of your unique style and passion for automotive restoration. Number 6. Introducing the 1968 Chrysler New Yorker, a timeless classic priced at just $10,000 and ready to grace your collection with its vintage elegance. This exceptional vehicle, with a mere 74,458 miles on its odometer, is a true testament to the golden age of automotive luxury. Boasting an automatic transmission and a pristine white exterior, this New Yorker exudes sophistication and timeless style. But it's what's under the hood that truly sets it apart, a powerful 440 V8 engine that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. What makes this Chrysler New Yorker even more appealing is its exceptional condition. It runs and drives like a dream, thanks to meticulous care and maintenance. The current owner has spared no effort in ensuring this beauty's performance, having already invested in essential upgrades. A new water pump, front drums and shoes, along with a recent tune-up, have been carried out, ensuring that this classic operates at its absolute best. This is your opportunity to own a rare luxury classic car that embodies the opulence of a bygone era. The 1968 Chrysler New Yorker combines style, power, and an impeccable maintenance history, making it a true gem for any car enthusiast. Don't miss out on the chance to make this vintage beauty a part of your collection and enjoy the nostalgia of cruising in a classic Chrysler New Yorker. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history ready to be cherished and admired for years to come. Number 7. Introducing the 1975 Dodge D100, a classic beauty that stands the test of time. Priced at just $10,000, this remarkable piece of automotive history is a true gem waiting for its next owner. With a mere 90,000 original miles on the odometer, this 1975 Dodge D100 has been well preserved and impeccably maintained. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and effortless driving experience, making it a joy to navigate through the open road. Cloaked in a stunning gold exterior and adorned with a tasteful beige interior, this vintage charmer exudes timeless elegance. The aesthetics are complemented by a powerful 360 V8 engine, providing not only a wealth of power but also a flawless performance that speaks volumes about its enduring quality. Having had only 2 owners, this vehicle boasts a clean title and is free from any significant damage or problems. It's a testament to the care and attention it has received throughout its journey on the road. The fact that it is fully paid off adds another layer of convenience for the potential buyer. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that defies its age. Immaculate and well-preserved, the beige interior is a testament to the meticulous care taken by its previous owners. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling city streets, this Dodge D100 stops on a dime and accelerates with ease. The 1975 Dodge D100 is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of timeless style, performance, and reliability. With no leaks, smooth shifts, and an immediate firing response, this classic automobile promises a driving experience like no other. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. A 1975 Dodge D100 that runs like a top and captivates with its enduring charm. Secure this beauty for just $10,000 and embrace the road ahead with a classic that defines excellence. Number 8. Presenting the 1979 Chevrolet 1500. A classic beauty that has not just weathered the years, but has embraced a new era of power and style. Listed at an unbeatable price of $10,000, this 1979 Chevy C10 short bed original is a head-turner with its distinctive features and modern upgrades. Equipped with an automatic transmission and painted in a captivating green exterior, this Chevy C10 stands out among the crowd. What sets it apart is the LS-swapped 5.3 Vortec engine, delivering a powerful performance that redefines the driving experience. The 4L60E transmission ensures seamless shifts, making every ride a smooth and exhilarating journey. This is not just a vintage truck, it's a masterpiece of customization. The upper and lower tubular A-arm with a 2-drop, combined with spindle enhancements, gives the 1979 Chevrolet 1500 a dynamic stance on the road. The new digital dash adds a touch of modernity, providing essential information at your fingertips. The true beauty lies under the hood, where the 5.3 Vortec engine roars to life flawlessly. It runs and cranks perfectly, embodying the perfect marriage of classic charm and contemporary power. The exterior, though in need of cosmetics, comes with new doors, allowing the new owner to add their personal touch to this iconic vehicle. Rolling on American racing wheels, 20 in the front and 22 in the back, this Chevy C10 not only performs but also captivates with its aesthetic appeal. The rims complement the overall design, creating a visual masterpiece that demands attention on the road. In summary, the 1979 Chevrolet 1500 is not just a truck, it's a journey through time with a modern twist. Priced at $10,000, it offers an incredible opportunity to own a customized classic that only requires your personal touch to shine both inside and out. Don't miss the chance to make this vintage gem yours and experience the road in a true classic with a modern heartbeat. Number 9. Introducing the 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, a classic beauty with a touch of customization that's now available for just $4,500. This iconic car, with its automatic transmission and striking blue exterior matched with a blue interior, is a true representation of vintage elegance and individuality. Having only had 2 owners and with a clean title, this 1985 Monte Carlo has a unique character that sets it apart. The current owner, who has paid it off in full, is now offering an opportunity for a new chapter in the car's history. What makes this Monte Carlo stand out is the added flair. Picture this, a TV mounted in the roof for an extra touch of entertainment while cruising the streets. The 30 rims give it a bold and distinctive look, making a statement wherever it goes. However, transparency is key, and the seller has honestly highlighted the areas that need attention. This Monte Carlo, with its Lamborghini doors, requires some work, and the hood is not currently attached, but fear not, as the motor runs strong, needing nothing more than a transmission to bring this beauty back to its full glory. For those who love a good project, this 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is the canvas you've been waiting for. The needed repairs are minor, presenting an excellent opportunity for customization without major hurdles. The seller is open to reasonable offers, making this an even more enticing deal for enthusiasts looking to breathe new life into a classic gem. In summary, the 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is not just a car, it's a canvas for your automotive dreams. Priced at $4,500, it's an affordable entry into the world of classic car restoration, offering a chance to own a unique piece of automotive history with a touch of modern customization. Seize the opportunity and make this Monte Carlo your next project. Number 10. Introducing the 1976 Chrysler Newport Custom. This beauty is a true classic, boasting timeless elegance and a powerful presence on the road. With only 89,500 miles driven, it's clear that this car has been well maintained and cherished over the years. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a robust 400 big block engine, this Newport Custom delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, you'll appreciate the effortless performance and responsive handling that this car offers. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a stunning interior featuring a striking red color scheme. The spacious cabin provides ample room for you and your passengers to stretch out and relax on long journeys. Plus, with power windows and a fully functional heating and air conditioning system, comfort is guaranteed no matter the weather outside. Externally, this Newport Custom shines in a sleek silver finish that commands attention wherever it goes. While it may have a few minor paint chips, the overall exterior condition remains impressive, reflecting the car's well-preserved status. Priced at just $7,500, this 1976 Chrysler Newport Custom represents incredible value for a classic car of this caliber. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time enthusiast, don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history.